you had some questions for me. Alright, now that I got your attention, let's talk about trade lines. What is a trade line, you ask? A trade line is a line of credit that you can put on your credit profile. So, let's say your auntie, your mama, your sister, they got great credit, they pay their bills on time. You can offer them like $500 to $1,000, $2,000, depends on what their credit limit is. You can offer them some money to put you on there. Then it will report on your credit profile as well, and that will boost your score up. Yeah, you can do that. You can also go online and buy these trade lines from different people, different vendors. Yeah, people scam all the time. You can't be scared of that. So what you need to do is go find you somebody to buy a trade line from so it can report on your credit profile. Once it reports on your credit profile, your credit is going to go sky high. You skip all that waiting, the 6 months, 8 months, you skip all that, you're going straight to the big time. So if you find somebody with $10,000 worth of line of credit that can report on your credit profile, you need to go ahead and pay them right now and get on to it. You know what I mean? That's what you need to do. You pay them, and then you can go ahead and get you a little Benz or something. You know, some slight. You know, you ain't got to go outrageous with it. But once you boost your credit, you can do whatever you want to do. Everything that you was thinking of, you can get. Let's talk about manifestation. You want to manifest those things that you want. You want to think about them all day. You want to have them in here. Yeah, you can't afford it today, but you want to go to the dealership, hop in that whip that you want. You hop in it, turn that motherfucker on, and you stay in it till they kick you out of that motherfucker, man. Because that way, you know what you want, and you got a feel for it. Oh, I got to get it now. Once you stuck, you in there? Ooh, you in there. So you got to manifest what you want. I used to manifest what I wanted. I would say, man, I'm tired of these rats in my house. I got a lot of these rats in my house. I know y'all think I'm playing, but I had big rats. This big. I had them big rats. I was like, one day I'm gonna get a big, nice house and I won't have rats. I said that. I said, one day I will. Oh, man. So, and that happened. One day I was like, I'm not gonna have these rats in my house. I'm not. And then I went and did something about it. I went up, got on your job, and I said, I'm gonna figure this thing out. I'm gonna be rich. I'm gonna get me a nice big house without rats. Now I got the big house without the rats. I left the rats behind where they was at. I'm trying to tell you, you gotta manifest these things that you want out of life. So if you want something, you want a brand new car, I'm telling you, go to the dealership, sit in there. If you gotta do it for 2 months straight, you sit in there and guess what? Boom. The third month, you're gonna have it. Just like that. You ain't gonna know where it came from. You're gonna be like, damn, where I get the money to get this from? It's just gonna come out of nowhere because you manifested it.